to welcome you here. My name is Bill Finch Paisley, and I am your Warrior Aviation announcer. It's my distinct privilege to narrate today's Warrior flight team. Dedicated to our United States servicemen and women around the world. Let me introduce briefly our Warrior flight team pilot from Virginia Beach. Lieutenant Commander retired Mark Crunchy Burgess, 1990 United States Naval Academy graduate. He received his wings of gold in '93 and spent his entire naval career flying the F-14 Tomcat. In 2000 and 2001, Crunchy was an F-14 Tomcat Airshow demonstration pilot. And in 2002 and 2003, he flew combat missions over Afghanistan and Iraq in support of operations enduring and Iraqi freedom. Come in from the left for a belly shot into a horizontal roll. Bandy 1. The aircraft you will see today is the L-39 Bandy 1. The call sign is the flagship for Warrior Aviation. We are a 501c3 nonprofit headquartered in Frederick, Maryland. The Warrior flight team performs at air shows across the U.S., raising awareness of our goal to ensure this generation of veterans is honored. From the right, another banana pass, rolling into a lazy 8. The aircraft you will see flying today is the L-39C Bandy 1. This aircraft is the world's most widely used jet trainer, with over 2,800 aircraft flown by over 30 air forces worldwide, including nearly 300 privately owned L-39s here in the U.S. The paint job you see on Bandy 1 pays homage to one of the most iconic aircraft paint schemes ever flown by the U.S. Navy, the Black Bunny, call sign Bandy 1 of Test and Evaluation Squadrons VX4 and VX5. Call signs the Evaluators. This paint scheme has been seen on the F-4 Phantom, the F-14 Tomcat, and was last seen on the F-18 Super Hornet. The engine that powers our L-39 is a Czechoslovakian-built Ivanchенко engine, producing nearly 4,000 pounds of thrust per hour. Pulling up into a Cuban. And as he reverses at the top, he will roll down and do some rolls on the down line. Even though the L-39 was designed and built as a trainer aircraft, L-39s and variants have seen action as frontline military strike aircraft, seen most recently in the Ukraine and Syrian area of operation. Veterans need your support. And like any trainer aircraft, good performance and good maneuverability and good handling characteristics are important. Crunchy's going to be coming by with the gear and the flaps down to show the low speed handling characteristics of this aircraft. At midfield, he will clean up, raise the flaps to the full power, and go back around for his final show pass. And from the right, watch Crunchy bring it around as he prepares for his last show pass. Get your cameras ready. It should be a good photo opportunity. From the right, Bandy 1 at 380 knots. Flight operations for Warrior Aviation, Matt Mark, along with our team, Matt Flush, Doug Woodley, Frank Mindich, Gary Blasco, and the entire Warrior Flight team. Please let me thank the folks here at Thunder of Niagara for supporting us. My name is Bill Finch Paisley, and it's been my great pleasure to bring you today's performance by the Warrior Flight team. Thank you so much for your time. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day here in Niagara Falls.
Some of the aircraft we have out on the ramp. KC-10 out of McGuire. We got an RC-135 out of Offutt Air Force Base, Nebraska. Our KC-135 on display is out of Andrews Air Force Base, Maryland. We have a C-17 out of Stewart Air Force Base. And our C-5 is out of Westover Air Base, Mass. Our LC-130 visiting us from Stratton, Connecticut.